Today, companies that struggle to manage a growing number of security tools have difficulty maintaining visibility across their entire infrastructure. With Secureworks, multiple dashboards in the Taegis portal provide visibility and insight across all connected systems, including alerts, investigation status, operational metrics, and threat intelligence. This ensures your security staff will always maintain a current and unified view of your company's security posture across the width and breadth of your IT ecosystem. The Alert Triage dashboard is your starting point for viewing recent alerts with customizable time windows and severity levels, as well as MITRE ATT&CK framework mapping. With at-a-glance visibility into alerts by detector type and alert sources, plus recent investigations and built-in threat intelligence from the Secureworks Counter Threat Unit, this dashboard is your go-to source for a quick overview of threats facing your organization. The Security Posture Dashboard helps your organization track your security event pipeline, including the total number of events, critical and high alerts, open investigations, confirmed security incidents, your license utilization, the number of alerts per endpoint, and tracking of the number of confirmed security threats, all compared to other companies in your industry, so you can understand and share how your organization compares to your industry peers. Investigation response metrics, including mean time to acknowledge and mean time to respond to alerts as compared to industry averages, are also available, as is a visual summary of your sensor coverage across cloud, email, endpoint, and network security controls. Lastly, the Secureworks Counter Threat Unit lists updates to operational countermeasures so you can stay up to date on our latest efforts to protect your organization from emerging threats. The Managed XDR dashboard provides visibility into your event pipeline, but from a response metrics perspective. Here you can see the historical data around the number of events, the response time and resolution of investigations. This greatly simplifies reporting to stakeholders and auditors, as well as managing security staff workloads and performance. Finally, the Custom Dashboard empowers users to easily create their custom views from a library of included widgets, including alert volume trending, top source and target IP addresses, as well as top alerts and users generating them, workload breakdown, and open investigation assignments. Selecting this widget allows for greater detail and direct access to the aggregate events. Once your perfect view is selected, a one-time report can be generated with 2 mouse clicks, making it nearly effortless to share vital information in a timely manner across the organization. Situational awareness is critical to a robust security program, and the Secureworks Taegis platform provides extensive tools to maintain heightened visibility.